Oh man, you better pay attention to this one. This variable will define you as a welder. Travel speed needs to be held constant. Remember this, guys. Travel speed needs to be held constant. When travel speed decreases, your deposition of thinner metal increases. When travel speed increases, your deposition of thinner metal decreases. I will make a separate video presentation about the best welding techniques, and travel speed is the most important one for a welder. For now, let's just focus on our baseline knowledge of travel speed.